Hello everyone, I'm Saket and welcome to Shape It and Make It. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make treasure map paper. Treasure map paper looks really cool. You would have seen that in the thumbnail. But before I get to the procedure, please click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And do follow me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram handle. Now, let's get to the procedure.
First, to make this you need to take a thick sheet of paper of any size you want, preferably white, but if you want some other color you can take that also. Now for the next step you need to take 3 items, that is the paper, instant coffee powder and water. Now keep the instant coffee powder aside. Now with a brush apply water on the paper. Apply a thick layer so that paint can spread easily. See, apply it in every corner. Now I have applied water on the paper. After applying water on the paper, you have to take instant coffee powder and you have to add some water into it so that it becomes like paint. See, it has to be nice and thick. Not this thick, but we still have to make it like paint. See, now I have done it. Now apply this instant coffee powder and water solution on the edges of the paper. Don't apply it in the middle of the paper or the look will get spoiled. Just apply some and it will start spreading on its own. If you think it's not spreading, then dab it with a brush. Then it will spread. Or you can add more water. See, I'm applying it. While you're applying, be careful. Don't apply too much of it as there's already water on the paper and the paper might tear. Now let's leave it to dry. So now after it has totally dried, it's nice and thick. I have applied a thick layer, so it's really nice. It has come out nice and it's also a bit bent and the color has become light. Now for the next step you have to take a scissors. You can take an adult's help. Now in the edges, in the sides, do some cuts and slits. See, just like this. Make some cuts, chop off some bits just to make it look like it's old. Just like that. See, I have totally done it on one side. Now we have to do the other side. Now I have done the other side also. Now, can you see these? Can you see the cuts from far? No. So, now to make them visible, just bend them a bit. Slowly, just don't fold it totally, just bend them lightly. Just like that. It's easy. One side is done, let's do the other side. I have done both the sides and our treasure map paper is ready. You can use this paper to make treasure maps, clues for treasure maps, and a lot more. You can do anything you want with this.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to Shape It and Make It, and don't forget to click on the bell icon next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And do follow me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram handle. Thanks for watching.